Good morning from one of Malibu's beaches. It is a cloudy morning this morning, and today we're gonna cook some breakfast and kind of just hang out on the beach, because living in my van has been a bit hectic lately, having to work and always worry about where I'm gonna park and buying groceries and I don't know, just all the other things I never had to worry about when I wasn't living on the road. So I don't know, I just kind of want to relax today, maybe edit some videos, just have a great day on the beach. It's cloudy out today, and I actually really like this weather. Well, and with that, I think it's time for some breakfast. So I'm gonna get started cooking. Of course, we want to make sure our fan is on so we don't die. Cooking up the sausages first, because we're not going to use all of them in this breakfast, but I'm going to put them in a container once they're all cooked, the ones that we don't use, and save them for another meal. Is it looking just about done? Well, this is the finished product. It looks pretty good. I'm guessing it was good because he already finished it and he just woke up. So this recipe is courtesy of my friend Hunter, and he made this for me a couple times. He let me sleep at his house a couple nights, more than a couple nights last week. So shout out to Hunter. It's pretty good.
It's crazy that you can go to the beach.
Black olives and cherry tomatoes. Oh yeah. Taste no one new. Place pizza. Probably my favorite place to eat. I have to try to make this out of the van sometime. Going to either.
And it's right by the airport, so there should be security around.
Nightly problems finding a place to stay in the middle of the city. It's how it is every night. Every night.
It's okay. We're sleeping on a Denny's. We'll be fine.
We're gonna try. And I'm eating the rest of my pizza. Well, we didn't actually end up going to Denny's because it seemed a little bit sketchy and we would have been the only ones there, so we're back at Walmart, our favorite place to camp for the night. Well, good morning from Walmart. I cook up the same breakfast we had yesterday. That was pretty good. This time I think I'm gonna add some cheese to it though. Good breakfast, again. Very tasty. This time put cheese and got some ketchup to put on it. Made it even better. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.